Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare copper versus fiber optic. We'll explore the fundamental differences in how these two technologies transmit data, helping you understand their unique characteristics. We'll then delve into the specific advantages and disadvantages of each, covering aspects like speed, distance, cost, and security. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which option might be better suited for various networking needs. Copper cabling, like Cat6, is a familiar and cost-effective choice for many networks. It's typically less expensive to purchase and install, making it a budget-friendly option. A significant advantage is its ability to deliver power over Ethernet, or PoE, which simplifies installations by powering devices like cameras and access points directly through the data cable. While it has distance limitations, copper remains a reliable solution for shorter runs and many indoor applications. Fiber optic cables excel in performance, offering vastly superior bandwidth and speed compared to copper. They can transmit data over many kilometers without significant signal degradation, making them ideal for long-haul connections. Furthermore, fiber is immune to electromagnetic interference, ensuring a cleaner signal, and it's inherently more secure as it doesn't emit signals that can be easily tapped. While installation can be more complex, the performance benefits are substantial for demanding applications. Deciding between copper and fiber optic largely depends on your specific needs. Copper is often the practical choice for shorter distances, such as within an office building, where cost and PoE capabilities are priorities. Fiber optic, however, is the clear winner for applications requiring maximum speed, extended reach, and enhanced security, like data centers or campus-wide networks. Consider your budget, distance requirements, and future bandwidth needs carefully. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.